How to reset game data on Android. First of all, you need to simply clear the app data. If you have any particular application, you need to move ahead to settings, scroll down, and you need to locate apps. Tap on it, select app management, and you need to find and select the game you want to reset. Then you have to tap storage and then clear the data. So this will simply reset the game to its original state, erasing any saved progress. So if the game is connected to a specific account, you simply need to log out from within the game and then log back into start fresh. And then lastly, you need to uninstall the game by going to the settings and then apps and selecting the game and tapping uninstall. Afterward, you can simply launch Play Store or App Store and reinstall the game with the help of the search bar at bottom right corner and top of the screen. So, once you have done that, you will successfully reset game data on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.